choreographer of the group. So ayun po, first of all, thank you po sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Grabe! Of course, I would also like to greet the members of the press, the influencers, and bloggers who's here tonight for our launch. So ayun, maraming salamat po. Your presence means so much to us. And kaya naman, babalik po ako with my Wink sisters like this one. Talaga naman, kita-kita mo ang kinang sa kalawa.
Parang sino kayo sa himbakan. Nais mo na ako, kita mo ang kinang.
Hi everyone, I'm Wink Jean and I'm the main vocalist of Wink. Shout out po sa mga people groups na nandito po ngayon na kasama po together with your management. Thank you po for showing your support sa Viva Prize campaign, and together we can show sorry, na-mental. Together we can show that OPM can actually rise, absolutely rise globally. Ayan. Thank you so much po, and I will be back here with other members of Wink, like this very pretty and talented lady. Thank you po!
Isang isa, isang pindad mula sa langit. Tigil ang iyong mundo.
family. You inspire us each day to push ourselves, and maraming salamat po talaga sa support. Thank you for our prizes, for our raffle. Maraming tao po ang inyong magpapasaya. And yun po, thank you so much po. So, I'll see you guys again in a few. But for now, please direct your attention to the screen as we watch this very pretty, young, and talented lady. Let's go!
Kasi yung lakas ng silakbo ng damdamin, walang makakapigil.
Thank our families na nandito ngayon, sa mga kapatid, sa mga parents, and sa iba pang mga family members who came here to support us. Grabe, ever since bata pa lang po kami, grabe na po talaga yung support nila, mga stage mom and stage dad dyan. And yeah, we love you all so much, and thank you po sa pagmamahal niyo palagi. And of course, I would also like to thank our second family, Flip Music family, for this opportunity na mabigyan po kami ng second chance sa pangarap na to. And thank you so much for always believing in us and always pushing us to be the best that we can be. So, yeah, we share this achievement together po. Kaya, thank you so much and congratulations po to all of us. And now, isang member na lang, makakomplete na kaming week. And are you guys excited? Hala. So, di ko na po tatagalin. Let's all watch this.
Kapag sumikat ang ningning, hindi mo nagugustuhin pumikit, kundi mamangha.
lead vocalist. Ayan, so hello to our week! Finally, from dati, mga chikahan natin, mga late night, mga 12 a.m. na sa extra. Ngayon, live na, so I'm very excited. And thankful na nandito kayo from supporting us since pre-debut. So very thankful to our witches. And syempre, hindi matatapos ang gabi ng walang tulala. Kaya, handa na ba kayong matulala? Ayan, maya-maya na lang yan. Pero bago ang lahat, raffle time muna with our beautiful host, Miss Jessie. Thank you so much po.